on another episode of me butchering my clothes and doing whatever I want. I'm going to tailor these pants. I got them from Princess Polly. I don't really love the way that they look on me. Like, they're just big and they make me look short. And instead of returning them and getting my money back, I just thought I'd take the path of most resistance and do it myself. This is not the best tutorial by any means. This was just the easiest way for me to do it, and I thought I would film it. I just showed you all the supplies that I use, and I put on TV, of course, SVU. I always watch TV when I do my DIYs. I'm going to use these jeans for reference because I want to replicate the width of the pant leg of these jeans onto the pants that I'm tailoring. I'm going to start by turning these pants inside out. After I straighten out my pants, I'm going to lay my reference jeans on top of them, outside seam to outside seam, because what I'm going to do is actually tailor the inseam of the pants so that it's less noticeable. Once I have the alignment that I want, I'm just going to use a pencil and sketch out where that width ends. I'm now just going to pin up the pants so that it doesn't move and it stays in place. I'm going to pin all up the pant leg. I don't have a sewing machine, so I'm just going to hand stitch. It's super easy. I'm just going to thread the needle. I don't know the proper term for this when it comes to hand stitching, but it's basically the equivalent of a back stitch. Right where I start my hand stitch, just so that it stays secure and it doesn't come loose. And now I'm just going to do a simple running stitch up the pant leg along my marking. Let's go. And here I'm just doing another back stitch when I get to the inseam crotch of the pants. Make sure that the thread doesn't come loose and it all stays secure. This is what my running stitch looks like along the pant leg. So as you can see, I did the left side and it definitely looks a bit more tailored and more fitted than the right side. I'm not even going to bother with the hem. I just don't have the time for it because I'm probably just going to wear these with platforms or heels. I was satisfied with the way that it looked, so I just repeated the same process on the other side. And these are the finished pants. They look so much better to me in my opinion, especially when they'll be ironed out and I actually have a cute outfit on. And no returns. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.